Hey there, young explorers! Are you ready to learn some fun and fascinating facts about Labor Day? Get your thinking caps on because we're about to dive into the amazing world of this special holiday. The very first Labor Day in the USA was a fantastic bash. On September 5, 1882, in New York City, over 10,000 workers took unpaid leave and marched from City Hall to Wendell's Elm Park. Then, they rocked with a concert, heard cool speeches, and had a big picnic under the sunny sky. Did you know Oregon was like a pioneer in celebrating Labor Day? They were the first to make it official in 1887. It's like they shouted, "Let's party and honor workers." Labor Day officially became a national holiday on June 28, 1894, when President Grover Cleveland put his signature on it. From that day forward, the first Monday in September was locked in as our special Labor Day celebration.
Grover Cleveland. Yep, that's right. I locked in the first Monday in September as your special Labor Day celebration. So go on. Enjoy and celebrate the hard work.
Point fingers at Canada for Labor Day. This holiday, also called Labor Day in Canada, started in Toronto in 1872 and then traveled the globe. Thanks, Canada. There's a bit of a mystery behind who really started the first Labor Day parade in New York City. Some say it was Matthew McGuire, a machinist, while others credit Peter McGuire, a carpenter. But wait, here's the funny part: they had similar names and were from rival unions. So, people got all confused, and we may never know for sure who the real hero was.
Hey, it's Matthew McGuire here, the parade pioneer.
Peter McGuire in the house, the real parade trailblazer.
Labor Day is like the unofficial goodbye to summer fun. It signals the end of the cultural summer season, and guess what? School and sports start revving up around this time. No white after Labor Day. Oh, let's spill the fashionable tea. Back in the day, the fancy folks would pack away their breezy, white outfits after their summer vacations and head back to school and work. Nowadays, we can wear white whenever we want. Fashion rules are meant to be broken, kids. The first Waffle House opened its doors on Labor Day in 1955. Hungry folks in Avondale Estates, Georgia, lined up for delicious waffles and tasty treats. Almost always, the NFL kicks off its official season game on the Thursday right after Labor Day. Labor Day marks the end of the hot dog season. Between Memorial Day and Labor Day, Americans devour 7 billion hot dogs. That's a lot of tasty bites.
That's right. We're the stars of your summer bites. Time to sizzle and celebrate.
And there you have it, kids. Fun facts about Labor Day, a special day to celebrate hard work and all the contributions of workers. Have a fantastic Labor Day.
If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and goodbye.